So this is an interesting way to do your lectures that you would commonly do in front of the classroom, so that students can play them back at their own pace at any time if they're absent, if they're remote. What you're going to do is take your current slideshow deck or slide deck, and you can use our Screencastify tool. Well, you'll need to set it up. And then you can hit record. Once it's set up, you can have a webcam choice if you like. And what it's doing is it's recording your voice and your mouse movement. So as you go through your slide deck, you can use it this slide deck if you like, or in presentation mode even, and you can talk through your slide deck. When you're done, you're going to hit pause and then stop. Right away, it's available in Google Drive. Click the button that says Copy Shareable Link, and in Schoology, you'll add it. You can add it as an assignment and have some other activities to go with it, or you can add it as a file or link, just the lecture alone. What may happen is it will not play inside this little viewer, in which case you click the box and arrow and it will start on its own.